afternoon, everybody. This is Todd Mitchell for Monday, the May 2nd. Haven't put out a video in a while. Been real busy here. Have something real exciting tomorrow. Look for your inbox tomorrow. Got something real exciting to announce to everybody on my list, all you valued subscribers on my list. But right now, take a look. We're looking at the E-Mini S&P 500. Very strong here the last couple hours. It's a little after 3 o'clock now, okay? It's about 3:24 in the afternoon. Market's testing the high of the day. Even though the overall trend is up, I'm expecting some type of reaction to the downside. Probably not a big one, but I would say at least 2 to 4 points, I would say, okay? So again, we're short right up in here. We're looking for the market to come back down, hopefully retest this area, right in this area. So we're going to watch this very closely. I want to get this on tape. I want to see if we can get a nice trade-off here at the end of the day. Again, it's a little after 3 o'clock, 3:30, okay? Market's been up for the last couple hours. We've been moving higher, higher. But again, this is the time of day where I would expect some sort of counter trend move, right? Counter trend to the current day's uptrend. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure. Let's start off with the smallest set of Fibonacci retracements. We're going to go from high to low of just this last swing to this high. Okay. So what I would expect is the market to at least come back down, probably to at least that 60. Take us back to 73-ish, right in there. 72 3/4. So let's just see what happens. I'm going to pause the video and I'll get back with you. All right, I am back. We'll see what happens here. Again, we're short at 74 1/4, 74 1/2. Market's at 73 3/4. We'll see if we're able to come back down, take out this little pivot low of 73 1/2, and I'll be back shortly. All right, I'm back, and I definitely thought we would have moved down by now. Instead, we kind of popped up, made a higher high, and I'm still banking on the fact we're going to come down a bit more. It is 10 minutes to 4 o'clock, and we are almost at even. Unfortunately, we did pop up, and I was going to add a little bit more here, looking for this move that we're starting to see right now. Just a little later than I thought. I mean, you know, in and around 3 o'clock, 3:15, give or take 15 minutes, we typically get some type of counter trend move if the market's been moving in a particular direction for any given length of time. And in this case, obviously the movement's been up, and so I was, of course, expecting it to occur right in here, but instead we've moved up, made a new high, and I'm just going to give it a little bit more time to see. I'm still expecting, I wouldn't be shocked to see 73 1/4 retested to the downside. We'll see. I'm going to pause this video and see what happens here. I'll be right back. All right, I am back. Let's see if we can continue moving a little bit lower. It is 4 minutes to 4 right now, so we're getting a little short on time. We've got about 19 minutes before the futures close. So again, I'm looking for low 74s. If we break 74 to the downside, we could try to retest the 73 1/4 right down in here. And if we're able to take out 73 1/4 on a closing basis, maybe we could move a little bit lower here on the end of the day as well. So again, I would think after all this buying, taking the market up, we're getting some profit taking right now. That's what I'm trying to key in on. Unfortunately, I was a little premature in the sale of the futures in here. And again, I wish I had been selling it up in here. I was doing something. I was a little. Okay, so we'll see what happens. I'll be back shortly. We'll see what happens. Win, lose. All right, here we go. Let's see if we can drop a bit lower here. 73 3/4 right now. We just hit 4 o'clock, so the overall market's closed, but the futures remain open. So let's just see if we can push a little bit lower here. Now we were down and we're giving a little gift. So I'm gonna take off 2 actually at 7. Look at this, man. I'm telling you, 70. I'm gonna see if we can get 73 3/4 on 2. All right. Let's see. Now look at this thing. Either way you cut it, we're either gonna scratch this or make a little or lose a little. It's gonna be one of those two. Let's see. What are we doing? Let's just go 70. 74. Okay, we're going to get out at 2 at 74. We got 1 left only, so we didn't make much. It was pretty much a scratch. All right, we got 11 minutes, and I think we've probably pulled down as far as we're going to pull down. 73 3/4. We're at 75 right now. I've only got one left. We're pretty much at even right now on the remaining. So this was pretty much a scratch trade, so nothing to write home about, nothing to even send to you, but I just wanted to put this out. I haven't done a video in quite a while, actually, so I need to get more back into the mode of recording trades and stuff, and I've just gotten off of doing that, and I do apologize, but I will have a video for you each week. Now, some of these videos will include like swing trades that I'm putting on. Some of them will be day trading bonds, some of them E-Minis. Again, swing trading ETFs, stocks, options, and the whole 9 yards. So be on the lookout for every day. I should have something for you. And some of these, I'll actually give you some of these swing trades that I'm looking to put on, okay? So I'll be doing that for you as well. So I'll shake it up a little bit and give you some trades in other markets as well. I am going to go ahead and let's see. Yeah, this thing probably will try to rally here at the end of the day. Probably take out the 75 1/4 and try to run up higher. The high so far today is 77.5. Let's see if we can get out here at 74 3/4. Pretty much scratch this trade. All right, I am back. We got 4 minutes before the market closes, so I'm going to go ahead and close out this trade. Let's just go 74 1/4. Let's see, 74 1/4. Let's see if we can get 74 1/4. There we go. So you know what? Nothing to write home about. Actually, it's pretty much a break-even trade. So I will be back with you tomorrow. I hope that helps. I know I haven't been on in a while. I feel bad, and I will be on pretty much every day. So if you got any questions, let me know. Email me, call me. You got my number. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.